Hey there, developers. In this week, we're going to talk about 5 ways you can learn React. First of all, we're going to explain importance of React. Then we're going to talk about how you can learn through YouTube and reading books, Udemy courses, and advanced meta courses. And finally, you have a bonus gift. So, without talking too much, let's get into the video. Importance of learn React. First of all, I'm gonna talk about two monopoly front-end frameworks. Number one is React. The next one is Angular. The React was built by the Meta, and the Angular was built by Google. So the two of them are very giant companies, and two of them are more popular in present and the future. However, in present job market, React have very demand. By the way, if you a beginner to web development, instead of learning Angular, you can very fast and quickly understand React because of the using JavaScript in React is very simple, but in Angular you need a very good advanced understanding about JavaScript. So that's why I'm saying in most of the companies hired both of the frameworks, but React developers have more demand. So I think if you're a beginner, you can learn React, or you are still learning React, so you can happy now. You have very good job demand for your skill. Next of all, we're gonna talk about how you can learn React.js by using YouTube. It's very simple, not complicated. I will give some. First of all, I give some the most famous React.js channels. So then we talk some how you can learn, how you want to learn using YouTube. Okay, in this video, I'm going to talking about 3 YouTube channels. Number one is Brocode. The second one is Fireship. The last one is Free Code Camp. The three of them are explaining very brief explain the fundamentals foundation for beginner React learners. So no question of learning, is everything is free for you. You want to learn and make your knowledge and make your foundation better. So after you build your foundation, next thing you want to do is watch some YouTube tutorials how they really create their websites and how they manage their folders and how they project structures to build their website. Is very important because the beginner don't know the professional React developers how they building, how they manage their components, and how they using styles for the project. Is very important. It's just very simple things, but the simple things make you perfect. So every day some sort of videos watch how and learn something new. The third step is very important, practice. How you can practice is very simple. Every YouTube channels says build to-do list, weather apps, and note-taking apps, and task managers, and simple games, TikTok, something like. So these are the basics. Applications help you to understand the foundation, and you know all of the things, how to create, deletes, and edit or modification, those things. So that's all about the YouTube. Let's get into the next thing, my favorite, reading books. The book I'm going to recommend is not for beginners or the basic level of React learners. This book for who like to learn React more advanced and improve their skills. The book name is Learning Patterns. It's 100% free. You can learn this book and get your PDF. I will put the link below, then you check the link and download your book. And they have a separate website for that book. They explain the concept, how to patterns of React you want to build, and you can build a lot of patterns there are. So you can choose any patterns and create your design dynamic patterns and a lot of. So I'm not going to talking about here because it's make my video more longer. I don't like because like the short videos, so I'm going short. The learning patterns, try out. I'll put the link below.